Alright guys, we're going to do a little update video. It is the 19th of February, and I should have thought to do this before I started, but this polystyrene hive here is a Lyson 6-frame hive. Was a single box with obviously the little 4-inch top on it without a queen excluder or pollen trap on it to keep them from getting up in there. And what do I do with it? Open the box up. These girls are already thinking about drones. Let's see, I don't know. Let's look down in there. No, queen hadn't made it up there and laid in it yet. But these girls were, it's about the, there's another piece about twice as big as this laying somewhere probably over there on the ground behind it. But they were making drone comb at the top, so I gave them, let's see, I gave them a comb, fully drawn comb, a comb with foundation, fully drawn comb, foundation, fully drawn comb, and a frame of honey. Because when you open the box, you basically couldn't hardly see the frames for the bees. I've been watching this hive for the last couple of weeks. It's building up quite nicely. I wished all of them in the yard looked as good as that one and this one right here. I mean, that's a massive buildup for 19th of February. So I gave them 6 more frames. I've got, I don't know, 4 or 5 more polystyrenes here. It's the first one I've looked in. Hopefully they're all building up that fast, because the beauty of the polystyrene is your 3/4 board, from what I've researched and found on the internet, is only got an R value of 1.93. I saw somewhere that says 1.97, depending on what kind of wood you use. That's the range. These polystyrenes are somewhere around the R10 value, from what I understand. So the bees do not have to work as hard to stay warm. So that means they can start brooding up faster. There are vents in the bottom. There's 4 vents in the bottom. They are about the size of a baseball. You've got your vent plugs up top, which I never open. There's little inserts that go in to keep bees out and to let ventilation, but in the wintertime, I don't want that. I want them to keep all the heat they can. Some people say, oh, they get wet, and you open them and they're just wet, 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 wet. Nah, I leave the front entrance all the way up open. This one is, you can tell I did not flip it over, so there's a mouse guard on it. But all the rest of them are that way. It's just one I never got around to doing. But I keep the front open, and there's, I think I keep 2 of the openings I keep, because there's 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And I keep 1 in the front and 1 in the back, either this way or that way open, to give them a little ventilation. But I don't find that they're wet. Thanks for watching. That's going to be the, I don't know, late winter update on the polystyrene Lyson hives. I love them. The other good thing I love about them is that entrance reducer right there, or queen excluder. Make a starter hive in it and graft into it. You've got that slid all the way over, so you don't have to worry about a virgin queen flying in, or a mated queen that's coming back from, say you've got this one, or a mating nuke on the other side of it, coming back to the wrong hive. She can't get in. Bad thing about it is, though, if you got any drones trapped in there, once you open it up, they'll be carrying a bunch of drones out the front. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Give a like, subscribe, and share them if you like them. Thank you.